If nights are when your thoughts get heavy and loud, this video is for you. You're not broken, and this isn't random. Some nights don't happen around you. They happen inside you. The world goes quiet, but your mind becomes a battlefield that nobody else sees. And tonight, we're going inside that battlefield. Here's how it starts. You lie down, hoping for rest, but your thoughts have other plans. They don't knock. They don't whisper. They rush in like a flood. As soon as the lights go out, you replay the things you said wrong. The things you didn't say at all. The moments you wish you could erase, and the ones you wish you could repeat. Your chest feels heavy. Your breathing feels wrong. Your stomach drops, and suddenly the room feels smaller. Then your thoughts. You call this anxiety. You call it overthinking. But let me tell you the truth, this is the mind trying to process what the heart has been forced to ignore. You see, people think silence is peaceful, but they've never heard the kind of silence you carry. Your silence isn't empty. It's loud, full, crowded with memories, crowded with expectations, crowded with fears you never learned to name. You've spent years learning how to keep your pain quiet. You smile when you're breaking. You laugh when you're tired. You say I'm fine, because it's easier than explaining the truth. And the truth is simple. You're exhausted. Not just physically, not just emotionally, but soul deep exhausted. The kind of tired you can't fix with sleep. And then it hits you. The moment where everything collapses inward. The moment where your mind whispers, I can't do this. And for a second, you believe it. Your heartbeat feels wrong. Your chest tightens. You sit up. You breathe quick. Too quick. You're not dying. But it feels like your thoughts want you to. This is the breaking point. Not the dramatic one movies show. The quiet one. The one where you stare at the wall and try not to fall apart. The one where a single tear escapes, even though you swore you were stronger than this. But here's something you never realized. This moment is not weakness. It's release. Something changes in nights like this. Not suddenly, not magically, but slowly. The way dawn sneaks up on darkness. There's a breath that feels deeper. A thought that feels softer. A moment where the storm inside you runs out of thunder. And then you hear it. The quiet voice you've ignored for too long. The voice that says, you've survived every night before this one. You're allowed to break. You're allowed to feel. You're allowed to be human. That voice is you. The real you. The part that refuses to give up. The part that has carried you through nights far darker than this one. And now, you begin to rebuild. Not with motivation. Not with some dramatic revelation. But with small things. Soft things. A slow inhale. A steadier exhale. Unclenched hands. Relaxed shoulders. You lie back down. Your heartbeat evens out. The room expands again. And for the first time tonight, your mind gives you space to simply exist. This is healing. Not the beautiful kind. Not the cinematic kind. The real kind. The kind that happens quietly, when no one is watching. The kind that looks like survival and feels like exhaustion, but still counts as progress. You didn't win tonight. You didn't lose either. You made it through. And sometimes, that's enough. If this night felt familiar, you're not alone. And you don't have to face the next one by yourself. I create poems and stories for nights like these. If you need a voice that understands, you're in the right place. Stay. Breathe. Heal slowly. And when you're ready, come back for the next piece.